Then we get to some longer ones where we have the parentheses. And when we have the parentheses, our first step is to use our distributive property and get rid of the parentheses by multiplying. This 5 is only times the y plus 5, not times the negative 8y, because that's not in parentheses. So using my distributive property, I'm going to have 5y plus 25. I'm then going to have minus 8y equals 31. Normally, the second step you do is combine the like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. You don't want to have more than 2 terms on any side, so you're going to put together what you can. In this case, the 5 and the negative 8 is going to go together. You're not moving them, so the signs aren't going to change. You're just putting them together. 5 minus 8 gives me negative 3y plus 25 equals 31. Now you should have problems that look like the previous ones where we're going to move our number first and then divide by our coefficient. So I have a plus 25. I'm going to minus my 25 to move it over. Negative 3y would equal 31 minus 25 is 6, right? And then I'm going to divide by that negative 3. So y is going to equal negative 2 for my answer. So on number 17, same thing. I'm going to start with my parentheses. The stuff in front is going to stay the same. So negative 12 equals negative 8x. I wait to write my sign down till after I multiply, just in case my sign might change. Here I have a positive x times, or positive 6 times x, so it's going to stay positive 6x. But you want to try not to put 2 signs in a row, so just wait till you have the sign of the answer when you multiply. Positive 6 times a negative 4 minus 24. Got rid of my parentheses. I'm now going to combine my like terms. I can put my x's together. They're on the same side, so I'm just going to combine them. Negative 12 equals negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2x minus 24. Getting the x by itself. Here's a minus 24. I want to move it to the other side, so I'm going to add my 24. Negative 12 plus 24 would be 12 equals, on the other side, negative 2x. And so my last step, dividing by that negative 2. Positive divided by a negative is a negative, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So negative 6 would be my answer for x. Number 18 then. If I get rid of my parentheses, I'm going to have negative 7 equals, and over on the right side, what would I have? (3v plus 9), and then the minus 5v would go on the end. Next thing I would do is combine my like terms. So if I take 3v minus 5v, I'm going to get negative 2v, and then my plus 9. I want to solve that for v. So the next thing I would do is minus the 9. Negative 7 minus 9 would be negative 16. That's going to equal my negative 2v. And my last step, dividing by negative 2. And so my answer is going to be positive 8. Negative 16 divided by a negative 2. And